Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check MAC address or physical address on Windows 10 machine. For this, I will use total 5 methods and you can use any according to your convenience. So let me start without any delay. First one is through the settings app. For that, press Windows plus I key on your keyboard. This will open Windows 10 settings on your PC. Then click on this one network and internet option. Here in the left sidebar, select a status if not selected. Then on the right, click on this one change adapter options. Then select your adapter, right click on it and click on this one a status option. Then again click on this one details button. Here beside the physical address option you can see MAC address of the connected adapter on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through the command prompt. For that, click on this one start button and type cmd. In the search results, click on this one command prompt entry to open it. Then type ipconfig space slash all and press enter on the keyboard. I will leave this article link on the video description also. You can refer from there also. In the command prompt window, you will see physical address and beside that you can note down MAC address or physical address. Physical address is also known as MAC address. So you need to find out physical address and note down this one. Through command prompt, you can also get MAC address using command get MAC. This is one is simplest command get MAC. Type get MAC and press enter on the keyboard. This will display physical address of the connected adapters on your Windows 10 machine. Next one is through command prompt. For that, open a start menu by clicking on the start button. Then type control and click on this one control panel app entry. Then click on this one network and internet. Then click on this one network and internet sharing center. Then click on this one change adapter settings. Then select your adapter by clicking on it. Right click on it. Select a status. Click on this one details. And here you can check physical address or MAC address beside physical address entry. Next one method is through system information. This one is the last option. Click on this one start button and type system information and click on this one into system information app. Here click on this one components plus icon beside before it and then click on this one network. Select adapter. Here also you can find the here you can also find the MAC address like this. Beside the MAC address entry, you will find your Windows 10 PC adapter, MAC address or physical address. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you have already subscribed it and you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye.